In the past, everybody was engaged by the crafting or carving some of the beautiful religious artifacts for the church, or working with the masonry, doing the structure, working with the stones, marble, and producing this incredibly highly skilled facades for the church and statues and monuments. And today, people are selling drugs, alcohol, resort to alcohol. If you look outside of the city, the church is collapsing almost to complete destruction, and the people are resorting to alcohol and drugs and other abuse of their own life and the others in the society around. We failed. The religion kept us engaged, connected. In many ways, people didn't have the free time. Today, everything is on the machine has taken over. So you don't have to produce what 10,000 people could not do. One machine could turn out in a second. It is incredibly sensitive times in our lives. As you can see, the Germans come to pray, the phone's going off. I'm doing the same, recording, at least capturing somewhat important and more sincere. And all this was crafted by skilled. In the past, everybody worked some engagement with the church. And today, hardly anyone doing anything. So we've now resort to so-called, even this door, which to protect has been taken, because the door will be desecrated or graffiti. So they pick one of these, and then a fence across to avoid folks desecrating the church walls. Gracias, thank you.